Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. Today, I want to talk about a bad habit that many of us struggle with: nail biting. It's something that can be really tough to overcome, but don't worry, I've got some great tips to help you out. Whether you're doing it out of stress, boredom, or just as a mindless activity, it's time to break free. Nail biting can be harmful to your nails and even your overall health, so it's definitely worth the effort to stop. Let's dive into some practical tips to help you kick that habit to the curb once and for all. Trust me, with a little determination and the right strategies you can do it. First things first, awareness is key. You need to be conscious of when and why you're biting your nails. Start by identifying the triggers that make you bite your nails. Keep a journal, or make a mental note of the situations that lead to nail biting. Is it anxiety? Are you feeling overwhelmed or nervous? Stress? Boredom? Or maybe it's just a habit you do without even thinking about it. Once you know what sets you off, you can take steps to avoid or manage those triggers. For example, if stress is a trigger, try practicing relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation. Next, let's talk about substitutions. Finding a healthier alternative can make a big difference. When you feel the urge to bite, try replacing it with a healthier alternative. Chewing gum, playing with a stress ball, or even just taking a few deep breaths can help you redirect that anxious energy. Chewing gum, playing with a stress ball, or even just taking a few deep breaths can help you redirect that anxious energy. These small changes can make a big impact over time. Another great tip is to keep your nails trimmed and groomed. When your nails are short and neat, there's less temptation to bite them. When your nails are short and neat, there's less temptation to bite them. Plus, taking care of your nails can give you a sense of pride and motivation to keep them looking nice. It's a small but powerful way to boost your confidence. One trick that worked for me was using a bitter-tasting nail polish. You can find these at most drugstores, and they leave a yucky taste when you try to bite your nails. It's a simple but effective way to remind yourself to stop. Every time you go to bite, that bitter taste will make you think twice. Accountability can also make a huge difference. Having someone to support you can be incredibly motivating. Tell a friend, family member, or even post about it on social media. Sharing your goal with others can give you that extra push to stay committed. Plus, you'll have people cheering you on and holding you accountable. Don't forget about the power of positive reinforcement. Celebrate your victories, no matter how small. Maybe treat yourself to something nice when you hit a milestone, like a week or a month without biting. Positive reinforcement can keep you motivated and remind you of how far you've come. It's important to acknowledge your progress and reward yourself for your hard work. Remember, breaking a habit takes time and patience. It's not going to happen overnight, so be kind to yourself. Don't get discouraged if you slip up. It's all part of the process. The important thing is to keep trying and stay focused on your goal. Every step forward is progress, no matter how small. You got this. Believe in yourself and keep pushing forward. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more self-improvement videos. Your support means a lot and helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and stay motivated. Take care. And remember, you have the power to break any habit.